Cine Sisters, it's Milica. I am back with another video and I'm so excited to bring you this one today. This one's actually my morning routine. This one has been requested by a couple of the Cine Sisters that want to know what I do for my morning skincare routine. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to do, and the first step is to always cleanse. Now, I prefer to shower of an evening, so I usually do my cleansing in the shower, but because of the morning, I just use a face cloth, and I'm going to show you what I do first. So I've just got a bowl of warm water here. I'm still here. And what I'm going to do is put some of our normal to dry cleanser on. And as you can see, I'm just going to put on a really little, that's probably a bit too much, but just a little sort of squirt, okay? And then what I'm going to do, just pop that there, get my hair out of the way. And I'm just going to give it a gentle rub. Now this one has got beautiful lavender oil in it, safflower oil, and don't forget it's got sodium lauryl lactate, which is from a milk coconut derivative, okay? So it's not going to dry out your skin, it's not sodium lauryl sulfate, it's not a soap, okay? Now it will have a very slight foaming feel to it, but it's not going to dry out your skin. Okay, so I'm going to wet my cloth again. Sometimes I just put it on straight with my fingers, but I like to sometimes give it a good scrub like this because it just actually helps to exfoliate the skin without making it feel too rough. Now, as you can see, I've got a little bit of redness, which is erythema. Now you might think, oh, that's too much, you're rubbing and scrubbing. Well, no, because I've just woken up. Now my skin has been resting at a metabolic rate for hopefully 8 hours. And so because my skin has been resting, it's just been sitting there. It's not been doing anything. You can see it's already coming down, okay? So it's not like I've scratched my skin. Now what you actually want to do is you want to stimulate your skin. You want to get the metabolism of the skin going because you know, you want to wake up and be ready for your day. And also, the more erythema that you have, the more that your products will actually sink into your skin. Now, don't forget, we're talking erythema, which is just a slight reddening of the skin, which means the capillaries are just under the epidermal layers. We're not talking about like, you know, going in there and giving it a scrub to the point where it feels uncomfortable, okay? And then I would just get another clean rinse. And that's it. Now you can also just literally get some on your fingers. So get a small amount and give it a lather like that. I like to do that sometimes, but I just find this is quicker and easier with my face cloth, and then I'm done. So I'll just give it a little, does it need a bit of a dry? That's okay. Otherwise you can just rip the tissue down the middle. Okay, and now you're ready for your climate control. Now, you can spray on your climate control, or if you're getting to the end of yours like mine, I was actually going to do a little video, but I'll show you a little trick. If you leave yours upside down, you will find that all of the goodie will come to the top there. And if you use your little scraper there, you can get a whole chunk, which you don't need that much. But I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand, you'll see. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this straight on. So this is full of our beautiful Seneplex. And again, I'm just pressing it in, going from the inside out. And now normally I would follow this straight away with Seni Serum C. But I don't always like to use that of a day. I prefer to use that of an evening, and then I save my Seni Serum C for an evening treatment. When I first got it, I used it morning and night, and now I prefer to just use it of an evening. Okay, and then we're going to put on our day cream. Now this one's got beautiful moringa oil, which is very, very hydrating onto the skin. And it's also got quite a lot of Seneplex in it as well. It's nice and creamy. So I'm warming it up in my fingers, not into my palms where it'll absorb. And straight onto my cheeks first because that's where I'm the driest. Onto my forehead. And I'm just starting on the inside and pressing out. So this literally takes 3 minutes to do. Obviously I'm explaining it, so it's taking a little bit longer, but I'm getting better. It's only been 5 minutes now, so I'm trying to explain things quite succinctly because we all know that I can talk forever. Okay, and now eye cream. Now I'm not using eye illuminator, I'm just using normal eye cream, and just get like a really small amount. I'll show you. Very, very small. Now, the cuckoo nut oil in this is really going to hydrate around the eyes. So I'm just going to pop it around here and on the brow bone for the lift. Just gently like that. And that's it. So now there's no excuse that you can't do a morning routine or that you can't do an evening routine. Whichever time you shower of the day, if you shower both times, then you definitely don't have an excuse. But most people like to shower in the morning, so they cleanse, they do everything, they put their makeup on, and then it's like, oh, now I've got to take it all off. If you've seen my videos on how to remove your Senegence, it's very, very quick, very simple, very easy, and my nighttime routine is just as easy as well. So there you have it. That's my morning routine. Share this video if you feel like it's going to help with anyone that might want to have a step-by-step guide. So basically it's cleanse with a washcloth or a small little dot. Give it a lather, rinse that off, or use your face cloth, which is what I suggest. Climate control, day cream, and eye cream. And then you're ready for your foundation and for the rest of your day. Subscribe to my channel so you can get all of my latest videos. I'm going to have a whole heap coming to you now. And like this video so that people can get access to it and that it can come up into like a ranking position so more people can see it and it can help more people. Thank you all for your support. Love you, Seni sisters, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.